Namaste, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn a seated forward bend pose or Paschimottanasana. Paschim means the back of the body and Tana means to stretch. So right from the heel to the back of the head, everything from behind is stretched. And that is the reason why it is called as Paschimottanasana. This asana is a seated forward bending asana, and a beginner and an intermediate person can practice this asana. Anatomically, if you see, it affects the back, the lower back, the whole of the spine, the hamstrings, the thighs, the liver, the kidneys, also the belly. This asana also impacts the shoulders and the brain. This particular asana helps to calm down the brain, relieving stress and also mild depression. It stretches the hamstrings, the back and the shoulders nicely. Also, it stimulates the liver, the kidney, also the ovaries and the uterus. Friends, when you perform this asana, it stimulates digestion. It also helps to relieve the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. This asana also relieves headache and anxiety, and it can also remove fatigue. So let's watch how to practice this Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Now, when you practice this, if you are having a back injury, just take a little care or do it under the guidance of an experienced teacher. If you have headache, if you have diarrhea, then take care when you practice. If you have asthma, also practice this under supervision, or maybe you can rest. Now take the position of Dandasana. Legs, the arches of the feet are active, quads are engaged, pelvis neutral, spine is long and tall, shoulders are nice and relaxed, arms are engaged a little, neck is long. After holding this position, what you have to do is, you have to feel as if you are pulling the inner groin into the pelvis. The moment you pull the inner groin into the pelvis, the pelvic region will have a little bit anterior pelvic tilt, as if the lower back is moving a little forward. Now inhale. When you exhale, reach forward. If you are not able to touch the toe, if you are not able to hold the outer edge, it's fine. Hold the strap and use the strap as a support. If you can reach to the toe, that is also fine. You can even catch the shin. If you are not able to reach, you can even catch the knees or the thighs. That's fine. What is more important is to bend in the right way, friends. Now holding this position, now we inhale. When we exhale, we should feel as if the exhalation is happening from the hip region, actually, hip points. Every time you exhale, your lower belly first comes down, and then slowly, maybe then the upper belly, then the rib cage. So move rightly. Don't just hunch your back and reach to the toe. Move rightly, maybe slowly. With every exhalation, you can allow the pelvis to bend forward easily. With every inhalation, lengthen yourself. With every exhalation, drop. With every inhalation, lengthen the back. Every exhalation, drop. Inhale, lengthen the front of the torso. Exhale, drop. If possible, we are bending from a straight back. Now when you find difficult, when you feel that you cannot go beyond the point, just hold, dropping the shoulders, keeping the shoulder blades nice and relaxed, squeezing into the back, squeezing down to the tailbone region. The shoulder blades are squeezing down. Keep the shoulders relaxed, neck is nice and tall. Breathe. Become comfortable. Just keep on breathing. It is seen that sometimes when we focus on exhalation, and if you can use gravity, the gravity allows the body to fall further forward. Keep on lengthening and falling forward. When you find difficult, just hold there, keep breathing there, become comfortable in this position. You can hold here for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then with inhalation, you can gently come back. Then you can keep your hands behind and rest for a while. You can repeat this again maybe 2 or 3 times, making sure that if you have injury of the back, don't overstrain and do it only under the guidance of an experienced teacher. This asana opens the lower back region nicely and also is very good for the abdomen. It stretches especially the hamstrings beautifully. So don't focus on reaching forward, just focus on holding there and allowing the hamstrings to slowly becoming long. Stretching right from the back of the head till the heel. Everything stretches, and that's why it is Paschimottanasana. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get update of the videos that we will put. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, write to us. If you want us to cover any special subject related to yoga, do write to us. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. Namaste.